I'm a retired dentist, practiced for about 25 years. Last year I found out I needed 2 implants, and I happened to read about Dr. Katari. He introduced me to the Yomi, which is a robotic way of placing dental implants. The healing process was immediate almost. I had no discomfort. That was easier than getting a filling done. It was incredible. If I was still practicing today, I would also have a Yomi.
They had found a way to make it so much more efficient and with less trouble for the patient. I can't imagine, having had the robotic surgery, why anybody would choose the traditional instead.
I can tell people nowadays that a robot helped me with my smile. I would recommend it to anybody. It's hard not to smile when you have a beautiful set of teeth in your mouth.
With the robot, I could not believe it. It was like nothing was ever done. It was incredible. When I asked him about how long would it take for me to be on stage, he said, you can go on stage tonight if you wanted to. I want to feel good every time I'm playing out and I'm in front of people. I smile a lot more, and it's a wider smile.
I'm officially cancer-free. I had to go through many rounds of radiation, which is really what started to leach away the health of my teeth. There's just, I think, a level of precision that comes with the robot. It's been overwhelmingly positive.
Dr. Masumi was able to use robotic technology, which really helped make the procedure precise. He was able to do it all at once, so I didn't have to go through the second procedure. It saved 4 months' time. I haven't had any problems with my tooth. The post has been painless. I'm very happy with the experience.
Once they started the procedure, I fell asleep. When I woke up, I was like, oh wow, this is it? Virtually no pain. I definitely know Yomi had a part to play in that. It helped with my speedy recovery. I definitely smile more.
This was far and away the easiest recovery I've ever experienced. There wasn't any swelling and heavy-duty soreness. I would recommend using the Yomi technology without hesitation.
A patient can come in. If they need an implant, I can do it today. And they were comfortable knowing that the implant was going to be going into the right place, where it belongs, as accurate as we can possibly get it.
Less time open for the patient, less sedation needed for the patient, and just it's a safer procedure in general. It's really made surgery so much easier and so much more predictable for our patients.
Our patients are so amazed by the Yomi robot. There's very little pain, even afterwards, that they don't even notice that they had an implant placed.
It's fast. Patients love it because the patients are quick in and out. They don't have to worry about stitches afterwards.
You ensure safety for your patients. It's really increased my case acceptance.
At every level, there's so much safety. So we really enhanced our standard of care to our patients.
I've yet to meet a patient who's not completely impressed by this technology.
There was no inflammation. There was really no discomfort. I was able to just really get back into my life the next day. This definitely, really changed my outlook on any dental procedure, really.